Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will explain how to upload a file to your server. A PHP script with an HTML form can be used to upload files to the server. Initially, files are uploaded into a temporary directory and then relocated to a target destination by a PHP script. Information in the php.info.php page describes the temporary directory that is used for file uploads as upload_temporary_directory. I will show you that right now. PHP ini. Now Ctrl F to find and type upload_temp, and as you can see, that is our temporary direction, and the maximum file size is now set to the 40 megabytes. You can change if you want. And these parameters are set in PHP configuration file PHP in exam server. Also ensure that a PHP is configured to allow file uploads. You can check that. File uploads. Next, file uploads must be set to on. If you want that everything work properly. And if you are using a XAMPP server like me, it is necessary to create one separate folder in your htdocs. XAMPP htdocs. I have already created first test, and here I will create another folder called images. And in our images folder will be uploaded our photos in this example. And first we are going to create the HTML form that allows users to choose the image file they want to upload. Now type form action method. In form action I will copy this command. I have already explained in the previous tutorial what that command did, and method that is important is post. Post method. Now encryption type clear. Node part / form data, and encryption type multipart / form data specifies which content type to use when submitting the form. Without these requirements here, the file upload will not work. Now I'm going to create one input, and input type you must here type file, where we are going to upload file, and your name image. And now next input, submit. That is okay, and here I make mistake, multi, okay. Now Control plus S to save, over here, and now refresh, everything works fine, choose file, okay, and submit. The next thing, and the next step is to create an upload script. Okay. And there is one global PHP variable called files. Okay, files. And it is a variable that tracks your files data from the input form. Okay. This variable is an associated double-dimensional array and keeps all the information related to the uploaded file. So if the value assigned to the input name attribute is in uploading form was file, then PHP would create a few, exactly 5 variables. And I have already just copied here, okay? That is file name, temporary name, size, type, and error. That is our variables. And now I'm going to create a PHP script. First create delimiters. All between start and end delimiter in PHP is our PHP code. If is set our global variable files, and in file name is image, okay. Then do the next code, or execute the next code. First create variable errors. And that is empty array, and I will type a comment here, other. This part is used to display errors. The next thing is file name that I have already copied. It's here, okay. File name. Create file name equal, and our name is not file but is image, and we have to change that to image. Now semicolon at the end, that is important. The next is file size. File size equal to image size, semicolon. The next is file temp, and that is name. Okay. Temporary direction on our web server. The next is file type. Okay, file type. And file extension type is equal email type function explode. Delimiter is dot. Okay, dot. That is our delimiter. And string, you have to type files image name. Semicolon. Not explode file extension. For example, when you have image.png function explode, use our extension format. Now file exit1 equal and our file extension and semicolon, and now file x2 other file or final, set to lower variable above. Extension 1 and the semicolon. Set to lower, make output everything in lowercase. For example, when you have string. Okay, so output will be lowercase. And now I'm going to create target directory equal our new created folder images. Okay, now semicolon and now target file. You have to type at first your target directory, then dot base name and path hardware in a variable. This is files image, then okay, semicolon, and that specifies, okay, specifies the full path. Now I'm going to create our unloved extensions. Array 9. No, array. PNG also. And if you want, you can add just more extensions if you want. And now we have to create one if statement. Okay. If in array file extension 2 and here our array extensions, okay. What does that mean? If our extension from file extensions is not found, okay, you have to type here the next command. Okay, and if our extension from file extensions 2 is not found in the variable extensions, then do the next code. First create errors array query not semicolon, and our errors array is just created. Okay, that is the first if statement. The next if statement is to check our file size, and I'm going to create next if statement. If file size bigger than, if you want, you can set 5 megabytes, but you have to type size in bytes. Okay, I can show you right here. 5 megabytes. Okay, that is in decimal and that is in binary. Copy. Comment that. Okay, and if our file is bigger than 5 megabytes, create an error array okay. Now next, check if our file already exists. Okay, file exists. Target file, do the next. The file exists function checks whether a file or directory exists. And also I will create error array. Sorry, file already exists. Here I have make okay, file exists, not $sign, but $sign that is variable. Okay, and now make one function, one if statement, if all work properly, everything work properly. If empty, our errors equal to true, then the next code. Move uploaded file, and for file name type our variable file temp. Is it file temp? Okay, file temp. And for destination, you can type quotation marks, image, slash, and dot, $sign, and variable file name. Now semicolon. The move uploaded file function moves an uploaded file to the destination. Next, echo success, and echo UL li send file file name. Okay. Next, quotation marks. Now to check our file size, and to display our file size. And now file type. Type dot. And now and UL. I hope so that works. We must check that. And I will now create one code in JavaScript that will switch to the main page after a few seconds and redirect. Now type echo. Now I have to end. Okay. Now echo. Here JavaScript delimiters is script. Okay. And for script type quotation marks, text, and slash JavaScript. Okay, and between our script delimiters, we are going to type our code, JavaScript code. Now type next function, Windows dot set time out function. Okay. Now location ref equal and here you have to type path to your folder. Okay. I will show you right now. Here, localhost, then my folder, then my next folder. Okay. HTDocs is our localhost folder. Then I have created first test folder, and into it just another one, no 03 folder. And semicolon, and here you can type 5000 and a semicolon, that is 5 seconds. Pause the time. Now create else statement. And in else statement print errors and few expression errors. Okay, semicolon. And you can copy code from above. And now click Ctrl S to save, or just file and save. And now we will check if everything works. Okay, choose file, I will choose my image, open, submit. Okay, call to undefined function file exists, index PHP 37. Okay, I will check that right now. Okay, line 37, okay, file. Ctrl S to save. Now check again. But now we have another problem. File temp on line 43. Okay, now I'm going to check that out also. Okay, 43 file undefined variable. File temp. File temp. Okay. PMP. Now save. And check. Submit. Okay, now everything works. Success. And after a few seconds, we have to redirect our homepage. Okay, but nothing's happened. Now I'm going to check my JavaScript code. Is the timeout function location here? I forgot to type comma. Now save, and in image checks our file is already uploaded. It is. I'm going to delete. Now refresh the page, choose file, our image, submit. Okay, something still don't work in our JavaScript code. Window Now Control S to save. I hope so that now everything works fine. Now refresh, submit, and wait 5 seconds. And as you can see, finally everything works. Now check, our image is already uploaded successfully, and if you want to upload the same image again, you will be notified, sorry, file already exists, and after a few seconds redirect to home page. And we have successfully uploaded the image, and that is that for this tutorial. Thank you if you are watching.